What's happening? It's the one and only Sashin, Governor, the founder of RWS Social Media Marketing. Making this video right now for my brand new home, which we worked hard for the past 6 years. You know, it's ridiculous. There's one wing on this side, there's another wing on this side, 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 7 lounges. We changed some of the bedrooms into a gym, and it's ridiculous. In fact, 7 lounges as well. So let me give you a tour whilst I'm talking to you a bit about the social media marketing. A few years ago, in my mind, I created a social media marketing company, and I really and truly only put it to action about a year ago. So we created a website. The link is below. Click the link if you want access to it. There's different packages. So what do we offer? Well, very simple. We offer engagement such as likes, followers, comments, and we put you on the explore page. We every time you post, we put you on top posts out there. Over and above that, the cool part about it is we also offer, content creation. By the way, that's the kitchen. We have, 2 lounges out here. So we got content creation. I've got some of my media team working on, creating images for you, 1-minute videos for you, YouTube videos for you, and most importantly, going out there and, you having access to the right type of content to share with the world. So, and there's a VIP package where I actually mentor you and coach you on social media marketing. So you got to understand something. I've studied the best of the best. I've learned from the best of the best. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on personal growth and personal development from a very young age of 8 years old. I transitioned that into the 21st century. And I want to let you know something. Today, in the 21st century, by the way, let's go outside. In the 21st century, it's all about working online and all about working offline. And most people think, it's all about working offline. No, you got to work smart and you got to work hard at the exact same time. That's my, house on the lake. That's the, perfect view of a dream life. One of my dream homes, in fact. And click the link below. Purchase the package, whether it's a VIP package or a normal package. If you want some 60-second videos and YouTube videos and you want us to mentor you and coach you, reach out to my team. This is one out of many businesses that I own, but most importantly, I want you to understand something. Some of you guys have the dream life, but you do not know how to market it in the right way. I've mastered social media, and I'm the coach you and mentor you to get the exact same online presence. Whether it's Google ads, whether it's boosting a post, whether it's engagement out there, I can help you do it the right way because I have done that. I'm not going to teach you something I've never done. I'm going to teach you how to portray your real life in a better way than you currently are doing. So reach out to us, click the link below, purchase the package, and I look forward to being a business partner with you.
Made sacrifices, now I'm double RMD. Got team expression, yes, we shining like a beam. Where would I be without my team? I'm 24 and I be living all my dreams.